Hi guys, welcome to my channel Psychic Sun Tarot. My name is Jyoti. This reading is to find out what are the current feelings of your person. So let's see what does your person think about you, or what are their current energies. Alright, so this is a timeless reading guys, so even if you watch this after 3 months it will resonate to you. So please keep in mind that this is a general reading. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. Okay, so take what resonates and leave the rest. So as usual guys, I have kept 3 cards over here. I would request you to choose any one of them. So the first has 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. The second card has 13 and 14. The third has 17 and 18. Okay, so I would request you to choose any one of them. Follow your intuition, keep your person in your mind, and then choose one of them. So I hope you have selected your numbers. So I'll start with the first group. I'm going to keep these cards aside. Okay, so this is 1 and 2. So let's see what do we have in store for group number 1. What does your person think about you? What are they thinking about you at this moment? What are their current feelings? So let's see what are their current feelings for my group number 1. Okay, I think Knight of Swords, Knight of Wands and the Emperor. That's the energy. Knight of Swords, Knight of Wands and the Emperor. I think this person is upset over something. Yeah, I feel that this person is upset over something, and this has to do with maybe they are frustrated, they cannot come and see you, something like this. This person wants to meet you. Distance could be an issue between both of you, and they are angry guys. Okay, I'm going to clarify this further, but this person seems to be very angry at this moment. I do see that some of you could be dealing with somebody who is elder to you. So could be there is this ego thing going on between both of you. Like, you know, let's see who messages you first. They expect you to message them, you expect them to message you. That kind of energy is okay. These cards. Let's see, we have the Magician, the Empress and the Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, I told you, this person is like, you know, they want to come and see you badly. They are like, they see you as their second half, that kind of energy. Yeah, I feel guys, this person wants to start fresh with you in some cases. Okay, I told you there has been this ego thing that's going on between both of you. You could be expecting them to message you, they are expecting you. This person wants to do so many things for you. Okay, they see you as their princess. Okay, this person really sees you as their princess. They want to do so many things. If you see, look at this, they want to come and offer. I think this person was holding on their emotions. They were not telling you how do they really feel about you, and they were holding, in fact this person is still holding on to their emotions. They don't want to reveal how they feel for you, but I do see intense and immense love for you. That's the thing. In some cases I feel this person wants to start all over again. They feel that things have been messed up in the past between both of you. Now this person wants to come forward and offer you this cup. They want to start fresh with you. Okay, this person wants to start fresh with you. In some cases this person is wishing to reconcile. Maybe you both are not talking, or this ego thing is going on, you know. or you are talking but not how you used to in the past. So I do see that this person, you know, they want to come and meet you, and I think this person is restless at this moment. They are dying to be with you, they are dying to see you. I sense that energy where this person is missing you a lot, a lot. This person is like stuck, you know, with your past. I think you guys have shared lot of good times with each other, okay, in the past, and this person is missing, mourning. Okay, they are literally thinking of all the moments that they've had with you. This person wants you guys, they're not happy without you at all, confused whether to come to you or not, whether to express or not, that kind of energy. Okay, but then they're not happy either without you, come what may. It's the feeling that I see here. You know, in some cases I feel that this person sometimes feels that you could be a missed opportunity for them. It's like they had you, but then all of a sudden the wheels have changed and they don't have you anymore. You know, that kind of energy I can sense here. It's like this person had you, now they don't have you. So they are missing you, they are missing the time that they have spent with you in the past. I do see confusion. Okay, this person is confused what to do. Sometimes I feel that this person is thinking, are you the one for them or not? You know, what should they do? You know, they're thinking. I do see lot of thought process. You know, this person is in this energy where they're thinking what to do. Should they move forward to be with you or what? But then I think this person is coming for sure, come what may. That's the energy. But the thought process is still on. Let's see what else. Okay. Yeah, I feel that this person, we have the Justice here. This person is going to come towards you. They feel that they have done something wrong in the past with you. That kind of energy. This person wants to give this relationship a chance. Yeah, this person feels that they should give this relationship a chance again. Okay, we have the 10 of Cups, guys. Look at this. This person wants marriage with you. They want to have a family with you. They want children with you. They want to have a child. You know, they see children with you. They see you as their wife, future husband. You know, they love you so much. They love you so much. This person is going to come to you for sure. It's just that something is holding this person back, and I told you the thing is who comes first, or who is the one who is willing to keep the ego aside. That kind of energy I sense here. 10 of Coins and 10 of Cups, no joke. Look at this. We have the 10 of Cups and 10 of Coins both together. You know, this is what they see you as, their treasure. They see you as somebody who is very precious. I feel that this person feels that you are one of a kind. Okay, you're very unique. You are not ordinary. You are somebody who is, it's very rare to find a person like you. This is their thoughts towards you. They view you as treasure. It's like, you know, I don't feel this. It's like they may have had many relationships in the past, or few, whatever it is, but they never found a person like you before. Okay, so that is why this person feels that they want to invest, they want to, but then their ego is coming in middle, and could be that this person is senior to you. Okay, in some cases I feel that this person is elder to you. Age could be an issue, or somebody who is at a very powerful position. Yeah, this person could be a very rich man or a woman, especially a man, I feel, or somebody who is at a very powerful authoritative position. This person is somebody who has got everything in life easily in the past when it comes to relationship, but I feel you are a difficult nut. This is what they feel. They feel that you are different, you are difficult, you are not easy for this person. It's not easy to get a person like you, so they will have to work towards this relationship for sure. This person, in some cases, if you both are not talking to each other, this person wants to come and talk to you. They want reconciliation with you for sure. Okay, I think they cannot live without you. If you see, they just cannot live without you. Three of Swords. Look at this. This person is in pain. They are mourning. In some cases, this person, I told you, they see you as a missed opportunity. It's like, your relationship started, you were together, but then all of a sudden things crumbled and you both are away from each other or not talking to each other, or things have changed. There is some distance, or it could be anything, but this person is not happy without you at all. It's like, I think this person is thinking about you every second. They are just, I can sense that this person is seeing you. They see you as their soulmate, twin flame. They are missing you badly. Nine of Cups. You are all what they want. You are all what they want. They cannot think their life without you. Queen of Cups. This person is highly emotional about you, highly possessive about you. They worry a lot about you. Okay, this person worries a lot about you. They see you as, it's like they're wishing for you. We have the Magician here, we have the Nine of Cups here, Queen of Cups. They're literally wishing and praying. In some cases, I feel that this person literally prays. Every day they are like praying to the divine so that you can come back in their life. I see that kind of energy. Six of Swords. This person wants to come back to you guys. Okay, they cannot think their life without you. They want to come back to you. Yeah, that is for sure. And Five of Cups. This person regrets for, I think they have done something wrong with you in the past. So could be that they said some words, they may have said something to you that was hurtful, or they may have done something that may have hurt you, something like this. But this person regrets. They regret for not working hard in this relationship in the past with you. Okay, they do regret. So they want to make it right this time. I do see they want to make it right this time. Yeah. That is what I feel. They are not happy without you at all. So let's see what will be the next action towards my viewer. Please give me a message. What will be the next action towards my viewer? Okay. Ace of Wands. I told you. They are coming, guys. They want to start everything fresh. It's like, this person wants to start everything fresh with you. It's like they want to give this relationship a chance. Okay. It's like things have become sour between both of you, but then this person is willing to work on this now. Okay, that's the energy. They're coming back to you. They cannot live without you. This person is so sad, so unhappy. I don't see them. It's like I feel that this person, in spite of being with people around, they are still seeing you. It's like, you are everywhere. You are in their mind, you are in their heart, that kind of energy here. Okay, so let's see what are your current feelings. Let's see how do you feel towards this person. Let's see how do you feel for this person. Let's see how do you feel. Okay, let's see if this comes back. I think I should take this. You are in this Eight of Swords energy, guys. You feel trapped. You don't know what to do. You want to do, but you don't know what to do, how to do. And you are also not willing to take any action. Maybe you are stuck. Some of you, I feel that you could be stuck in a relationship, or stuck because of your family, or In some cases, I feel that both of you are married. Maybe you are stuck in a marriage or some other relationship, or you feel stuck. Okay, basically you feel stuck. Yeah, this card wants to come out. This is your energy, Hermit. You don't know what to do. You are thinking a lot, what to do, how to do. You know, some of you, I feel that you too want this to come back in track. Okay, you want this relationship to work out. There is a hope. I think you guys have a hope in this case, and you are hoping that, you know, this relationship comes back to normal. Okay, let's see, I'm going to clarify this further. Oh my god, 9 of Cups. This person is also your wish fulfillment. It's like you both want each other so badly, but then I think you are also not willing to take any action at this moment. However, you are trying. I at least see you trying. Compared to this person, I feel that you guys are trying. This person is angry, but you are trying. It's like you're giving some hints to this person once in a while that, you know, you want them to come forward to you, that kind of energy. But yes, you are at least trying. You are hopeful, still hopeful, but you don't know what to do. You are trapped. I don't know why I feel that you guys are trapped in something. Queen of Pentacles. You know, you see a future with this person. You really see a future with this person. You want this person. This person is all that you may have wished for. Yeah, look at this. You want things to get back to normal. That kind of energy. You too want this person equally. I think the love is mutual between both of you. Okay, the love is mutual. I think you are praying. It's like, in some cases, I feel that you guys are waiting for a miracle. It's like you are wishing that God does something and everything gets back to normal. That energy. You are wishing for a miracle in this relationship. Yeah. I think the Emperor. I told you, we have the Emperor there and the Emperor here. You both are holding, could be that you both are equally, I won't say egoistic, but you both have strong egos. Okay, they expect you to come forward, you expect them to come forward, and I think you tried, but somehow you cannot do more than this. This was the best. This was all that you could do. You don't want to invest more, or at least you don't want to, you want them to take the first action towards you, but you're trying, you're still trying. I feel this person is more egoistic than you. You know, that kind of energy. You feel that you have already done so much. Now you have surrendered. It's like you want the divine to interfere and do a miracle in this case. That kind of energy. Okay. Oh my God. Look at this. You are not willing to open up to this person. You are holding on to your emotions. Okay, you have so much to tell this person. I feel that you want to tell this person how much you love this person, but you are holding on to your emotion. Ace of Swords in reverse. It's like things are not clear. Some of you could have blocked this person. Queen of Cups. You could have blocked this person. It's like, you know, this game of blocking, unblocking, blocking, unblocking, or could be that there is, you have, I do see an invisible wall between both of you. It's like, you know, a wall has been built. It's like you may have built a barrier between both of you. You don't want to be easily available to this person. I do see that energy. Okay, so I feel that you want to tell this person so much, but then you don't want to. Okay, you don't want to tell this person. It's like everything is stored in your heart. You have this intense emotions towards this person, but you're not coming forward and speaking what you really feel towards this person. And that's the only thing I feel, that you guys should talk. That is something that I really feel, that you guys should open up. Okay, so let's see what are the mutual energies between both of you. Mutual energies. Okay, let's see what are the mutual energies between both of you. Give me, what are the mutual energies between both of you? What are the mutual energies between both of you? Oh my God. See, you feel like going back to this person. You cannot, I told you, you both want to come back to each other, but things are holding. You both feel that, oh my God, look at this. This is what had come before. I told you, you both want a fresh start. Ace of Wands had come before also with this deck, and it has come again as a mutual energies. So what more can I tell you? This is the confirmation that has come twice. You both want a fresh start in this relationship. You both feel as if, you have left them and they have left you. That kind of, you both feel as if you both have left each other out in the cold, that kind of energy. But I think in some cases I feel that you are also going to call them, message them, or you may leave these hints that you want things to move in the right direction, or you may leave hints that you're still interested in them. You are not going to give up on this, okay, so easily. I feel that. Yeah, look at this. You could have left this person in the past. You could have left this person, or you were the one who created this barrier between both of you. But I think things are going to come back in track, okay? That is what I feel. So let's see what's the advice. King of Pentacles. Okay. Let's see what's the advice for you guys. Okay. Oh my God, look. The advice is work on this relationship, okay? This is a very strong and divine relationship. You both, you love each other so much that you both view each other as your world, okay? They view you as their world, you view them as your world. You cannot live also without this person. So why this ego game, blame game, whatever, okay? So I feel that the advice is this relationship or this person is worth investing. So the advice is, if you can go back to them, talk to them, it's good. Yeah, the advice is you should get back to this person, okay? And that is, I feel you both are going to come back together for sure, and that's the advice, okay? Either you go back to them or they are going to come back to you, but it's going to happen. I mean, it's mutual. For most of you, this person will reach out to you. Even if you won't reach, this person is going to come to you, come what may, for most of you. And in some cases, even you may go and approach them. At least you will leave hints. I do see you leaving hints that you are still interested, you still love them, that kind of energy. So that is what I feel here. So let's see what's the advice for group number 1. Let's see what's the advice for my group number 1. Okay. Oh my God. We have 2 cards. Emotions are running high. I told you. That's the advice. It's like, your emotions are bottled up. You have so much love for this person, but you are hiding it. You are not telling this person, or you are not showing your feelings. You want to tell them how much you love them, but then you are holding on. The second is bring love into the situation. The message, guys, that I see here is don't think practically. Let it be. Maybe this person is egoistic, or this person has ego, whatever it is, but if you love this person, just let it be, okay? I think you have to treat this situation with love. This person loves you so much. It's just that they're waiting for a sign from you. So I feel that you both should work on this. It doesn't matter if this person doesn't approach you in the next 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, you go and talk to them. Big deal. Life is so short. Life is so short. You know, we don't know how long are we going to live on this earth. So life is too short to hold on to grudges or to miss a person like this, the one who loves you so much. Okay, I feel that you should talk to this person. I really feel. Okay, just don't think practically. That's the message. Okay, bring love into the situation. Yeah, because look at this. You love this person so much. Yeah, that is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this reading. So if you did, do let me know in the comment section. Please keep in mind that these are general readings. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. So if it did, do let me know. So you guys take care. I'll proceed further to group number 2. So take care. Bye. Welcome group number 2. This is for people who chose 13 and 14. So let's see what do we have in store for group number 2. Let's see what are your person's current feelings. Okay, 3 of Cups. Okay, 3 of Cups. Alright, I've got 2 more cards. One is 2 of Coins and the Moon. Oh, okay. We'll see if we get this back. 3 of Cups, 2 of Coins and the Moon. Okay, group number 2. I feel that this person, just a second. 6 of Cups, the World and Judgment. Group number 2, I feel that this person you are involved with, there is a third party situation in this reading for some of you. Now this third party could be a person or their career or their family. It could be anything, but I do see that there's a third party situation in this reading. They are confused between 2 people. Your person, they are confused between 2 people. They don't know whether to choose you or to choose somebody else over you. That kind of energy. This person is missing you. They are not happy with you at all. They miss you. They are missing you badly. They don't know what to do, confused. They want to come back to you. They want reconciliation. I think this person is seeking some clarity in this relationship. You know, they are waiting for universe to guide them. That kind of energy. This person is confused between you and the other person, but then this person is missing you. Okay, I think this person loves you. So could be that some of you are involved with a married person or a married man or a married woman. Maybe you are dating somebody who is married, or it is possible that you are also married. Okay, now this is in some cases, not for all of you. Okay, so this person, I feel that this person has this immense love for you. Okay, they love you more than the other person. Maybe they have 2 people, they're confused between 2 people, they have options, but then the love is for you. Okay, I see that their love is for you. They love you, not the other person. Yeah, 4 of Wands. Look at this. This was at the bottom of the deck. They see marriage. They see marriage. I think this person is going to come to you with a proposal, guys. Yes, they want marriage with you. This person is going to come and they are going to approach you for marriage. Yeah, that's the energy. They want to marry you. They see you as someone they can spend their entire life with. That's the energy here. In some cases, I feel that this person is somebody who may have left you in the past for somebody else, and now they are going to come back to you. Okay, they may have left you already in the past for someone else. There was a third party involvement here. They could have left you for somebody else, but I think this person is going to come back to you because they have realized that they have missed a diamond while collecting stones. That kind of energy. So this person is going to come back to you. Yeah, that is what I feel here. This person is now looking for ways and means to come to you. Okay, and maybe this person stays in a different place, you stay in a different place, or distance could be an issue, I don't know, but this person is trying to come back to you, or maybe they have already approached you, but it's at a very initial phase. And if you both are already together, this person is still trying. They are going to work on this. At least I think this person is waiting for the right time. Yeah, this person is waiting for the right time. Yeah. I'm going to clarify this death here. I told you, in some cases I feel that this relationship was over. Almost it was over. They want to revive this now. Okay, this person wants to revive this relationship. It's like they want to start fresh with you. You know, they want to start fresh with you. Maybe, I told you, you could be somebody that they were involved with in the past, but then they left you for somebody else, and now they have realized their mistakes and they are going to come back to you. Okay, this person is going to come back to you for sure. They want a fresh start with you in this reading. Yeah, Two of Wands. But I feel, guys, that this person is going to take some more time. They are still thinking. This I do see a lot of thought process involved here. They are still thinking what to do. Should I not? That kind of energy. Okay, they know that they love you, they know that they want to marry you, but then still there is something that's holding them. Let's see, what is this something that's holding them? What is this something that's holding them? Why are, okay, oh my god, Three of Coins, Nine of Swords. I think there are some people, look at this, Two of Swords. I think there is somebody who is trying to demotivate them or to come towards you. You know, it's like maybe their family or the second person they are involved with, whatever it is, but there's something because of which they are not coming towards you. Something is holding them, and this is, maybe there are some people around them, you know, who are trying to tell them negative about you, or they are trying to discourage this person to take any movement towards you, something like this. Okay, and this has caused this person to be in this energy. This person is confused. They are so much confused. Look at this, Two of Coins, Two of Swords. Very much confused, worried. They're having sleepless nights. They are thinking. They're not happy at all. They're missing you badly. That's the energy. They're missing you badly. Oh my god. Ten of Swords. Could be that this person feels that, you know, you'll have left them, or you may have moved on in life without them. Okay, that could be for some of you. Okay, this person feels that, you know, you may have moved on, or I don't know why I see this. 10 of Swords. Now this could be your energy also, guys. Maybe you left this person in the past. This could be. First, in some cases, maybe you have left this person. Okay. But that's there for... Okay, I've got these two cards. So many cards. 7 of Wands. Knight of Coins. 4 of Cups. And Knight of Wands. I feel that this person, you both are, there is a wall between both of you. I feel that this person may have blocked you. Okay, this person may have blocked you or something like this. They're thinking, guys, whether to come forward or not. Alright, I do see a lot of passion between both of you. This person is so much attracted towards you, or I don't know, lot of attraction in this between both of you. This person is highly attracted towards you, and I do see player energy. So maybe this person is somebody who was in and out in this relationship in the past. Okay, you could be dealing with somebody who could be a player. Okay, maybe they have told you, they have not told you, I don't know, but I do see some player energy here. So maybe they were not very sure about you in the past, and now they've had some realizations and they're missing you. They're missing being with you, they are missing you. But then there's something that's holding them. Okay, this person is still stuck somewhere. They are confused whether to move forward and approach you or not. That kind of energy. Let's see what will be this person's next action. Oh my God. Okay. Queen of Wands. I told you, they see you as somebody who is highly independent, or you could be very beautiful. Very beautiful. Okay, something like this. 2 of Cups. This person, there's lot of attraction and chemistry between both of you. They cannot live without you. Okay, there's lot of chemistry and attraction. This person is highly attracted towards you. Queen of Coins. This person wants to come and offer you this coin for sure. Okay, I think they cannot live without you, guys. Magician, they are manifesting you. They cannot live without you at all. So I think this person is going to take some time, guys, okay, before they approach you, because I have got this person is trying to manifest you, or this person will give you mixed signals. You will feel that this person will come to you, talk to you, but it is going to be a slow process. Okay, it's not going to be all of a sudden. I feel that this person may take time. They are still thinking what to do. That energy, they are not 100% sure, so this person may take some time. They know that they want you, but they don't know how. That energy. So that's the energy. But I think this person is, let's see what will be their next action towards you. What will be their next action towards you? Please give me a message. What will be their next action towards you? Four of Swords, no action. I feel this person is still going to take some time. Okay, whatever is happening between both of you is still going to continue for a while. For a while. Okay, this is not going to be forever, just for a while. It means that this person is going to come to you for sure. Okay, they are going to come and offer you because they see you as their soulmate. They know that they have a karmic account with you. They cannot do without you for sure. In fact, they are the one who is manifesting you, but this person is going to take some time. Okay, I don't see any action so early. So group number 2, you may have to wait for this person. Okay, for a while. Let's see what are your feelings towards this person. Let's see the mutual energies. I'm sorry. I will see what are the mutual energies between both of you. I'll see what are the mutual energies between both of you. What are the mutual energies between both of you for group number 2. Mutual energies between both of you. Temperance. Look at this. It's like you both are waiting for the right time. You both are thinking a lot. Okay, you both are thinking. That's the mutual energy. So let's see what are your feelings towards this person. We'll see what are your feelings towards this person. What do you want in this relationship? Let's see. What are your feelings towards this person? What are your feelings towards this person? Okay. We have the 5 of Pentacles, 6 of Pentacles, 5 of Swords and King of Swords. Group number 2, I feel that you are in this energy where you feel that this person may have left you all of a sudden in the past for somebody else, or even if you are with this person right now, the relationship, there is no communication between both of you, and it's like, you're not very happy with this person. You're not happy. You feel that there is no equal give and take in this relationship. Okay, you feel that you have done so much but you have not got back the same thing in return, and in some cases you feel that this person may have hurt you with words. Maybe they've said something to you in the past that has hurt you deeply, and that's the reason why you are very sure that you don't want to talk to this person, or you don't want to, at least you don't want to take any action towards this person. You are hurt. There's something that has hurt you about this person, and that's why you are in this energy, King of Swords. You feel hurt. You feel hurt. Let's see, how are you feeling? Okay, look at this. I think you are manifesting this person. You both want each other. Okay, love is there. Love is there. You want this person, but you're not going to take any action so soon. That's the energy. Maybe you both are holding on to your, this reading is more or less similar to group number 1. There is no equal give and take in this relationship according to you. One person has worked a lot and the other person doesn't invest. That kind of energy. You feel that you have done a lot in this, but you have not got what you deserved. It's like you literally, in some cases I feel you literally know that your person is seeing somebody else, or they are with somebody else. Now this somebody else could be a person, a career, or their family, something like this, or could be that this person is married. See, you are wishing for a fresh start between both of you. That is what you want. You want to start fresh with this person. You want this person to come back to you. You want this person to be with you. You cannot do without them, I feel. You are willing to give this relationship a second chance. But then I think you are going to wait for some clarity. Okay, you're waiting for some communication. I think you guys, you want to talk, you want to sit, talk, and you want clarity in this relationship. And I feel that you guys are waiting for a miracle. You guys are praying to God to make things better. You want things to come back to track in this relationship. You want things to get back to normal. You're praying for that. That's the energy. You're praying. You're asking universe for guidance. You're asking universe to come and interfere. That kind of energy. You really feel that relationship with this person is difficult, but you still want to go forward with this person. That's the energy. We have the Hermit and 6 of Wands. Oh my God, look at this, guys. Hermit, 6 of Wands, 8 of Pentacles, 2 of Cups. You love this person so much, and this love is mutual. Okay, it's not just a one-sided thing. I told you this person loves you. They are stuck with somebody else, but then their heart is with you. Okay, and so is yours. I think you're ready to work on this relationship right from the scratch. That's the energy. You know, I feel that you have thought a lot. I feel that you have already made up your mind to work on this relationship now, because you cannot live without this person. There is so much of attraction between both of you. You both are like magnet. They are thinking about you, you are thinking about, they are manifesting you, you are manifesting them. That kind of energy. And you know somewhere that you are going to win. You know that you want, somehow intuitively you know that this person is going to come back to you. Okay, and I do see you putting in effort. I feel that this person may take time. I told you that this person is stuck. They are not going to make any decisions so early. They are still going to take some time, but I feel that you can't wait anymore. So it's you who may take action towards this person in this reading. Yeah. Okay. Oh my God, look at this. I told you this relationship is stuck because of a third person. A third party is involved. Now, maybe your person is being influenced by somebody else around them. You feel that your person is influenced by someone else in their family or a third partner, whatever it is, third person involved in your life. But I certainly see a third partner involvement in this reading, group number 2. Yeah. You are spying, you're keeping a close watch on this person. You keep a close watch on this person. I told you, you feel that you have done so much in this relationship, and what have you got? Nothing. It's like, you know, you deserve more. You want marriage. You want to marry this person, okay? You really want to marry this person, but you are confused. You want clarity and you want to start fresh. Look at this, King of Cups. That is what you want. You love this person so much, guys. You are not going to give up on this person so easily. Okay, you're not. So I do see a new start, and for most of you I feel that it's you who's going to take the action towards this person. Yeah, it's you, because look at this. This is you. You love this person so much. I feel in this reading you love them more than they love you, or at least you show, you know, you are expressive. Compared to both of you, I feel you are the one who is more expressive. Okay, I see you, I sense that you are more expressive than this person. You want marriage, you want children, you want to marry this person. You're so sure about this person now. Of course, you want clarity, okay? Before you move forward, you want clarity. And yeah, but I think you're going to wait for this person. And for most of you, I feel that you guys are going to take the first step, because I don't see your person taking any action so soon. They are still stuck, you know, they are in this energy, so they are going to wait for a while. So let's see what are the mutual energies between both of you. Any mutual energies between both of you? Any mutual energies between both of you? I think, yeah, you both have created an invisible wall between both of you. You know, either you may have blocked them or they have blocked you. Okay, you both are in this energy where you both don't want to be available to each other so easily. You know, it's like, let's see who comes first. That kind of energy. Mutual energies. Yeah. You're missing them so much. So much. You're so sad without them. So unhappy without this person. You cannot live without this person. You're missing them to no extent. That's the energy. You're thinking about this person. Okay, you're thinking about, in fact, even they are thinking about you. I just forgot, this is the mutual energy. They are missing you too. It's like you both are missing each other. It's like you're waiting for them, they are waiting for you. In fact, this person is in the verge of making a decision. I feel that your partner, they are on a verge of making a decision to come out of a third party. Okay, so maybe this person is going to leave a third person for you. That energy I see here, because they love you guys. Okay, this is mutual energy. It means they miss you equally. It's like, you know, you both love each other a lot. So one last card. Mutual energies, please give me. Okay, no, I think I'm going to shuffle. Mutual energies between both of you is this Knight of Swords. Yeah, you both want to come back to each other and sort out all the differences that you've had in the past, you know. And I think you have made up your mind. They also have made up their mind to come to you, but they are not going to take any action so early. Okay, I think it's you who's going to take some action. They are thinking, but then you're going to do it. Okay, that's the energy. So you both want to come back to each other. Mutual energies, you both want to come back to each other. Okay, I do see reconciliation for sure. Let's see what messages, what guidance do we have for you. Let's see if we have any guidance. Step out of your comfort zone. I told you, group number 2, it's you who may take some action. In most of the cases, I feel it's you who's going to take the action towards this person. That's why we have this message. Step out of your comfort zone and go and approach this person, okay? Because this person is going to take forever to come to you. Look at the bigger picture. Some of you are literally in this energy where you feel that I have done so much, whatever I've got, but you don't know that you are dealing with a person who loves you so much. It's like maybe this person is weak in showing their emotions. Okay, could be that you may have to forgive this person for some things that they have done in the past. Okay, but that's the message. Look at the bigger picture. Don't focus on what went wrong in the past. Because this person is somebody, maybe they have done some mistakes in the past, but then they do regret. Okay, they do regret. And I think this person is stuck. This person is going through some phase where they are having some major realizations in their life. And also in some cases I feel that this person is not well. They are not well. Any other message for group number 2? Any other advice for my group number 2? Any other advice for my group number 2? No, I don't think I have. So I think, guys, you have to step out of your comfort zone and look at the bigger picture. Okay, I see love. It's like they love you, you love them. I know that they messed it up, I know that, but that's the message. Sometimes you have to forgive a person, especially after, if they have realized their mistake. If you feel that this person has realized their mistakes, then you should forgive this person. Okay, they really love you, they're going to come to you, but then I don't see them taking any action because they're still stuck with something else. So they may take some time. Now this some time could be a week or so. Okay, they may take 5 days, 7 days or 10 days. So that's the message. It's better if you go and approach this person. Okay, because they are literally waiting for a signal or sign from you. Okay, so that is it, group number 2. I really hope you enjoyed my readings, and if you did, do let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much, guys. I'll proceed further to group number 3. Okay, so you guys take care. Bye. Welcome, group number 3. Let's see what messages do we have for you. What does your person think towards you? Let's see what are their current feelings towards group number 3. Let's see what are your person's current feelings towards my group number 3. Okay, Princess of Wands, let's see, I'm gonna pull out some cards. Please give me a message for group number 3. What does your person think about you? What are their current feelings towards you? Okay, the Empress, Okay, I've got one more card. Ace of Wands. You know, guys, this person, they view you as someone who is highly independent, a woman or a man of high character, somebody who can take care of themselves. They view you as someone who is independent, maybe you're very beautiful if you are a woman, maybe you're very beautiful if you are a man, you are very handsome. So they see you as a strong personality. Okay, yes, this person views you as a strong personality. This person wants to come and propose to you. I do see this person wants to come and propose to you. So yeah, that's the energy. Just a sec, these cards flipped. The Moon, the Temperance, and Ace of Coins. This person is missing you guys badly. They miss you so much that I think this person wants to offer you. Yes, I do see that in some cases. Okay, group number 3, I feel that most of you, for most of you, this is a very new person that you may have met, okay, or somebody you have recently met, or this is a very new relationship. I don't know, for this group number 3, this could be a very new relationship for some of you, and that is why this person is thinking of coming and, you know, they want to propose to you. If they have already proposed to you, or if you both are already dating, then this person wants to offer you commitment for marriage, commitment, you know, to a long stable relationship. Because yeah, this person, they cannot live without you. They're missing you badly. That's the energy. This person does miss you. They're trying to bring balance in their life. I do see that this person is trying to solve some things in their life. Maybe this person is going through a lot at this moment. This person is going through a lot. Sometimes you go through many things at the same time. So that's the energy for this person. This person is going through a lot at this moment, and that is why they are trying to balance the situation. Okay, they are trying to bring balance between their personal life and with you, their relationship with you. They're trying to work on this. They are ready to put efforts on this. That's the energy. What are they thinking towards my group number 3? What are their current energies? Please come in. Yeah, 2 of Wands. I told you, this person is seeing future with you. They feel that you are the right kinds. They feel that you are somebody they can spend their entire life with. You are someone they can trust completely. I think this card wants to come out. 10 of Cups. Look at this. I told you, they see future with you. They want to marry you. They want to have children with you. And in some cases, it is possible that Queen of Coins. In some cases, it's possible that this person feels that you're already in some other relationship. Maybe you're married and they want to offer you this cup only after your relationship is over with the other person. Okay, maybe you are in a marriage or a relationship and you're not happy, and you have found this new person in your life. This person wants to come and offer you this cup, but then they feel that you are already stuck in some other relationship. So they are waiting for the right time. They are waiting for you to come out of the relationship so that they can offer you this cup. Okay, that is also a case here in this reading. They want to give you this commitment for sure. It's so strong in this reading. They love you a lot. They really love you. Yeah. 9 of Coins. And oh my God, look at this. They've been wishing and praying to have a personal life. It's like their wish has come true all of a sudden. Okay, they see you as someone who is a priceless possession. Okay, they see you as a treasure. They feel that it's very difficult to get a person like you. You're not so easy. So they feel that they have to work a lot to get you. That kind of energy. think this card wants to come out? Two of Coins. In some cases, I feel that this person feels that you both are in two different places, maybe two different countries, two different states. There is a distance. It's like there is a distance. There is a barrier between both of you. Now this barrier could be that you both are involved with two other persons at this time, and that is why you both cannot be together, because you both are already in some other relationship. Or the barrier could be that you both stay in a different place, or the barrier could be some differences, religion difference, caste difference, age difference, could be any, but I do see a barrier here in this reading. And yeah, it's like this person feels that they want to come and offer you this cup. They want to offer you marriage, commitment. They want to marry you. They're so sure about you. If you both are together, they want to marry you. But the problem is, this person feels that there are a lot of obstacles before they can get you, that kind of energy. And there are a lot of hurdles before they are with you, that kind of energy. What are the current feelings towards you? Maybe most of you are in this dating phase in this reading. Most of you. Maybe it's too new, but then they really love you. They view you as their wife, their husband, a person with a strong personality. What are their current feelings towards you? Please give me a message. Okay, Eight of Coins, King of Cups. Oh my God. Oh my God. I cannot go beyond this now. Okay, I cannot. What else do you want me to tell you? This person will do anything to be with you on this earth. Okay, this person is going to do anything. They can lose anything to be with you. That kind of energy. They want to offer you, they love you so much. They want to offer you this cup. They want to offer you everything that they have. Okay, this person wants to do so many things for you. Maybe they want to buy you gifts. They want to buy something for you, or take you out for dinner, lunches, whatever. King of Wands, this person is highly attracted towards you. Highly. It's like I do see a lot of attraction between both of you. Lot, especially from their end. This person is highly attracted towards you for sure. Okay, so I don't think I should go beyond this. I'm just going to check what are your mutual energies. Let me see mutual energies from this deck, then I'll see mutual energies from this deck too. What are the mutual energies in this reading? What are the mutual energies? I think this card wants to come out. Oh my God, Nine of Cups. You are manifesting them, they are manifesting you. You both, okay? I think you're manifesting them, like you're literally thinking about this person 24 hours a day, and this person is thinking about you 24 hours a day. I don't think I have to go further. Okay, I think I'm going to pull out some cards for you. So let's see what are your energies or your feelings towards this person. We'll see what are your feelings towards this person. Look at this. You want this person equally. You want this person equally. That's the mutual energy. So let's see. Let's see more. What are your current feelings towards this person? What are your current feelings towards this person? What are your current feelings? I think Eight of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, and Queen of Pentacles. Okay. I feel that, guys, in this reading, you may have moved away from this person to be with your family or to be with your spouse, for some reason. Okay, I feel that you moved away from this relationship. Yeah, or could be that you rejected this person to be with someone else. This could be your spouse, your family, your career, something. Yeah, but I feel that you moved away from this person. Could be that you may have rejected this person. Yeah, this is the Knight of Cups, the World, and Six of Swords. I feel that in your case, group number 3, you regret going away from this person. It's like you may have left this person, or you didn't pay attention to this person in the past for somebody else, but now you have realized their value, and I feel that you're going to come back to this person now you want this person, now you want to work on this relationship, now you want to offer this person, now you want to start fresh with this person. That's the energy. Okay, you have realized the importance of this person. You really have realized the importance of this person. This person is somebody who has done a lot for you in the past, I think. That is why you are in this energy where you have realized their value. You feel that this person did so much for you. Maybe they have helped you financially, or helped you in your family, support your family, did things for you. They may have done, I don't know what have they done, but they have done a lot for you. Okay, could be they have given you a lot of gifts in the past, and you didn't pay attention to them before. Could be that you ignored them, but now you realize their value. Okay, that's the energy. Yeah, look at this. You want this. You want to come back to this person. You want to marry this person. You are keeping a very close check on this person. Seven of Pentacles, King of Cups. It's like, I think you guys are chasing this person indirectly. It's like you're keeping a close watch. Maybe you check on them on WhatsApp, whether are they online, not online, or you keep checking their Facebook, Instagram, I don't know, whatever, but you are keeping a close check on this person through social media. Now that could be anything. You could be talking to your friends to know about this person. I feel that you may have worked a lot on this person in the past. Okay, I do see that you have put a lot of efforts to be with this person in the past. Yeah, but you did not get that attention from this person. You did not get this attention from this person in the past. But now you have realized, I think you, any which ways, you love this person. Okay, you have deep emotions for this person, and you see marriage. You see marriage with this person. You want to come back, and you are willing to talk. Okay, I do see that you are willing to work on this relationship. So some of you feel that you guys are waiting for this person to come and approach you, waiting for this person to take some initiative, that kind of energy. Okay, let's see what are your current feelings towards this person. We'll see what are your current feelings towards this person. What are your current feelings towards this person? Page of Cups. Could be in some cases, some of you want to apologize. Maybe you have done something wrong in the past, unintentionally, intentionally, whatever it is, but yeah, something has gone wrong in the past. So could be that you want to approach this person and you want to apologize, and in some cases you want to talk to this person. You want to tell them how you really feel for them. You want to tell them, you want to propose to this person. You want to propose to them for marriage. You want to propose to them for engagement. Okay, I do see that. You both love each other. You both love each other. There's no doubt. Look at this. Three of Cups. and Ace of Pentacles. Some of you could be getting married to this person or getting engaged to this person very soon. I don't know why I'm sensing that either you're going to get married to this person or you're going to get engaged to this person very soon. So commitment is coming your way very soon. In some cases, I feel you could be asking this person out. Maybe you are going to tell them to meet you for lunch, coffee, dinner, whatever it is. But I think you are going to take some initiative towards this person. Now, it's like you both, Queen of Cups, you both are highly emotional towards each other. I feel you both are highly emotional towards each other. Yeah. Let's see what will be their next action towards you. Yeah, we'll see what will be their next action towards you. Yeah, I think this person is waiting for the right time. They're confused in the sense they want you, they are wishing and praying for you, but then this person is going to take some time. They're waiting for the right time to come and approach you. Okay, this person is somebody who could be expecting you to approach them first. You could be dealing with someone who is expecting you to approach them first. All right, so we'll clarify the judgment. What will be their next action? Devil. Yeah, I told you, in some cases this person views you as someone who is involved in some other relationship. Your person is waiting for the right time to come forward and approach you. They view you as somebody who's already stuck somewhere. So once you are out of that, they can come forward and approach you. And if you're already in relationship, this person cannot live without you. Okay, they are like, I do see that energy where you both are inseparable. Lot of love, lot of emotions and lot of physical attraction between both of you. Okay, I think this person is highly attracted towards you, highly, and they are wishing and praying to be with you. They cannot live without you. They cannot. They want to do so much for you. Okay, this person has, maybe they won't show it, but this person has this immense desire to do a lot for you. Okay, this could be emotional support. They are willing to give you emotional support. They are willing to give you financial support. Whatever they can, they want to do for you. Okay, so let's see what are the mutual energies between both of you. Let's see what are the mutual energies. We'll see this from this deck also. Mutual energies between both of you. Mutual energies. I think this card wants to come out. Justice. You both want to work on this relationship. It's like, you know, finally you have decided, they have decided that you both are going to give it a try. You know, you both want to work on this relationship, and you have realized your mistakes, they have realized their mistakes, and I think universe is going to step in and you both are going to come towards each other. We will still clarify this. Let's see what are the mutual energies between both of you. Please, what are the mutual energies between both of you? Yeah, Two of Swords, Ace of Swords and the Fool. I told you, confusion, you both are confused. I now feel that you both are coming to a point where you both will realize that you both cannot live without each other, and I see a new beginning. It's like finally you both are going to come back together. It's just matter of time. Okay, I see that you both are getting some clarity from universe in your relationship. You are coming to a point where you're realizing that nothing is worth losing this person, and they are realizing the same for you. And in the next few days or in the next months, I feel that you both are going to come back to each other and you are going to start fresh, and I see new beginning. Okay, you both are going to start fresh towards each other. That's the energy. You both are going to start fresh now. It's like you both are willing to take this risk. There is a risk involved. You feel that this being with this person is a risk. They feel that being with you is a risk. But you both have made up your mind to start and be with each other. Okay, you were confused, you both were confused, but you both have made your minds now. Okay, so that's the reading here. So let's see group number 3, what will be the advice for you. We'll see what advice do we have for my group number 3. Please give me an advice for group number 3. Let's see what advice do we have for my group number 3. Let's see what advice do we have for group number 3. Any advice for group number 3? Okay, I think this card wants to come out. Don't let pride get in your way. Okay, that's the advice. Maybe some of you, this ego is holding you back. Okay, it's like you want to go and approach this person, but then there's this ego. You know, why me? Why should I go first? So the message is, don't let pride get in your way. And we'll see one more message. Nothing is worth losing true love. Okay, life is too short, guys. So if you know that this person loves you, and if you love this person, please don't hold back. Just go, hold your vision. Don't lose your faith on this relationship and on this person. Hold on to your faith. Don't lose your vision. It's like maybe you're confused, maybe you have options. Some of you may have options, okay, and you are like, is this person better or that person better? So don't be in that energy where you're confused between 2 or 3 people. I feel that this is the right person for you, and that's the message. Don't let pride get in your way. Hold your vision. Maybe if you have to apologize, do apologize. If you have to go and approach them first, do. Life is too short. Okay, we don't know how long are we going to be on this earth. Okay, one of us may have to leave early. So just enjoy every day and just go and approach this person. Okay, don't let pride get in your way, guys. Okay, that's the message for you. So that is it, group number 3. I really hope you enjoyed my readings, and if you did, do let me know in the comment section, and do like, share, subscribe. Okay, so you guys take care. Bye.